broken in. He's going to steal my head gasket over here. I don't know why you think that can't be reused. It's obviously still got 4 holes on it. All right, we're going to make some plug wires here. These were having issues we showed earlier. So now we need to do something about that. What are we going to do about that?
I'm not sure. I can make them.
We're going to fix them.
He's going to make them the right way.
I never said that.
Maybe we should add like 2.5 inches instead of 1.5 inches.
2.5 inches.
Just in case something weird happens somewhere.
How much length do you really want?
I just want enough to not pull my one end out while I'm putting it on the spark plug.
Okay, so this one ended right here.
Yeah, so we should probably end it
We need that much more for making
here.
the fold back. And then you want an extra inch, you said, which would be here. Now you're talking like you want like that much more.
No.
So how much more do you really want? Is that enough?
Like right here.
So you only got an inch and a half more?
Right there. Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm right there.
If I cut it, we can't cut it twice.
Okay, I like it.
Well, we can cut it twice, but it doesn't get longer.
Yeah, I know.
Sure, we got 2 options, short or long.
Which one looks better? The longer one.
Right now we're this much longer than what you had.
Let's go with this guy. The longer one. I can always make it shorter.
No. Once I put it on, you ain't doing shit.
Alright, let's leave it like that.
Let's leave this one on there now.
No, the long one.
2 inches longer is not enough for you? It's pretty long.
I'm so afraid.
This one was on the bike before, wasn't it?
Yeah, but it was too short.
By how much?
It was barely too short. Like I could get it on there, but I felt like it was pulling it out of the coil.
Well, 2 inches will give you a lot of free length to make it go in different areas. 4 inches is going to give you a lot more.
It'll be too much. It'll get caught on my leg or some shit, huh?
It'll be a lot of distance. I don't know how it was routed on the bike. You can run over the top of the motor or let it hang down low on the shifter mechanism.
Let's do the longer one, and I can tuck it away under the tank. And then we'll make that guy just like a little bit longer than twice as long.
No, we made it shorter than the other one, relatively speaking. This one's going to be that much longer. It's more of a realistic length. What you want on the other one, which is way too long. Oops. Did I cut too much?
Nah, that's alright.
This one doesn't want to slide.
Oh, you got 1 bar of battery.
Look at my battery again.
It went from full to empty.
In 2 minutes.
Yeah, not that much filming time.
I better hurry up and start working then, huh?
I guess so, that's what it's telling you to do.
If I don't do it quick enough.
Then your viewers are going to be unhappy. It's going to cut right off on them.
They're unhappy anyway.
Nobody's ever happy. Ooh.
How about that piece?
I guess it's not going to come to the party.
How about this piece?
That guy's invited.
Don't get it caught up in there though.
Why not?
Kind of makes it hard to work when you got a piece of shit constipating your system. Where's your crimping tool?
That's probably up there where you're about to go climbing.
That's why I put it where I can get to it.
Yeah.
This keeps customers from stealing it. It's getting broken in. It used to be really tight.
See, I don't have a nice tool like that.
Uh-huh. I mean, it doesn't crimp like
Nope.
that.
Nope, sure don't do that.
Why not?
That's just not the kind of tool I got. Now I'm gonna have some nice fancy black wires.
2.5 inches longer.
Yep, that looks nice to me.
Okay, what's this one?
That's another wire.
Okay, so you want to go down about 3/4 of an inch or so. You want to break through the outer insulation, but not all the other stuff. On a solid wire, it's hard to screw it up, but on a suppression core, you can cut the inside off and destroy the wire. So after you're in there like that, see, then I tear it. Pull off the excess. You don't hurt the wire. It's very important. Like on the suppression core, it's more critical. On these, it's a lot stronger because it's made out of real metal. It's not some fake crap. This
Fake.
here bends it over so it gets you going in the right direction. Like that.
It's about as good as mine were.
Yeah, well, it's hard to pinch them in. I can use a pair of electrical pliers to kind of do it too, but it has to have the back suck, and to make it work right, you need to have this on the back side to pull it in,
Yeah.
which most pliers don't have.
No.
If you just squeeze it flat, it doesn't bite in at all.
No. You can only get one. You squeeze the other one, and then when you
See,
just
this
did comes out.
This actually squeezes right like that. See how it sucks them in?
Yeah.
Then it squeezes the whole thing together. Pinches the piss out of it. And I got the wires over here on the back side so they cut you.
Yep.
Yeah, see how it's squeezed forward and it gets into there a little bit, but it still goes down because this has to be a little compressed to put inside the motor.
Mm-hmm.
But you got a nice, good, strong connection right here. Unlike yours, which you got a gap. Because your wire was kind of laying in there, floating around. Wasn't really attached to anything, just laying there.
So you think I'll get a stronger spark now?
It'll work better, yes.
Well, imagine that.
And it might not arc you when you get your leg near the spark plug also.
Right. Or when I try and touch my key, which is right next to the coil.
Mm-hmm. That too.
Well, that boy's tight.
This one didn't want to go on. I put lube on it too. It's starting to work now. Okay, I put about that far because I know where your actual end's going to be.
Mm-hmm.
So one trick you can do, it doesn't want to move like this one does. You take a little screwdriver or some kind of non-sharp instrument, stick it down between the boot there, put a little lube in there, WD-40 or something, and that'll loosen it up.
Oh.
It'll spin freely until you can pull it in when you need it to be. Now is this one 2 inches longer than the last one? Now this one got a little bit longer than it needed to be.
3 inches.
I cut this one too long.
That's all right.
So
I have a little, like, cable clamp that holds my cables together, so it'll be fine.
now these can be taken off and reused. You pry them apart with a screwdriver. You flatten them back out with this, and you come back and recrimp them. You can do that 2 or 3 times before these get bad.
Yeah, like mine are.
So you can reuse them a little bit. Anyway, that's how you do that. So now these are a little bit longer than they used to be. So it should have enough length. This should be way extra long here, but at least this is in the back of the bike. Wouldn't hurt you too much being in the back.
No.
I said if these are way too long, bring them back and we'll shorten them up for you again. Rearrange them.
I think it'll be fine.
But, there you go. So these are your backups now.
Yep.
So these can be recrimped and reused.
Or keep one of them in the...
But they're already too short, you said, but they have open holes. They have bad parts in here.
Yeah.
Not exactly the best in condition. So they're a test backup, not an actual running backup.
Or unless you're like way in BFE and gotten them in your backpack.
Yeah, if you got nothing else to use. If somebody steals one of your wires, they have to work better than nothing.
Yeah, then nothing.
Alright, that's it.